Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm bringing to you the USB 3.5 flash drive Bar Plus, and it's a 64 gig version. Will be an unboxing. I'll be doing a review very shortly. I would like to let you guys know this channel survives on your subscriptions. So if you like the content that you see on this channel, please do subscribe. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. It'll ensure that I can make more quality content. Alright, without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. It's nothing special. It's a pretty standard kind of unboxing for this. Alright, let's go ahead and just tear this bit off, which comes off really easily. It says to do it with scissors, but you don't need that. And this is it basically. Just get it out like that, and there you go. Nice little thing to be hooked onto. And USB 3.1. Alright, that's basically it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll get you a review of this in regards to the read and write speeds. I think the write is what I'm mostly interested in. And yeah, let me know what you thought about it. Thank you for sticking to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.